make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some hair extensions. That was really hard to say. But yeah, I'm going to be reviewing some hair extensions and I'm very, very excited about it. So I've worked with Irresistible Me before. They sent me a hair colour and I loved it, and they also then shouted out to me and said, look, we want to send you some hair extensions. Do you want to do a review video? And I was like, absolutely, yes I do. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm reviewing some hair extensions and I'm very excited. Can you tell? I'm excited. I used to wear hair extensions back in 2011, which is 8 years ago, and I haven't worn them since, so I'm really excited to put them back in, give them a little go and just see what they look like, because honestly I haven't worn them in so long, and I'm just excited to see myself with lovely long hair, because obviously I don't have long hair at all, so I'm really excited, as you can probably tell. Should I say it one more time? Really excited. So when you receive your hair extensions in the post, you get them in a really lovely black box, and then when you open it up, it's got the website and a lovely picture of a lady with lovely long hair inside, which is very exciting. And then also in the box you get a discount code for £5 off your next order, and then you get your extensions. Now when you get your extensions with a lot of companies, they'll do it very much the same way. You get a single piece of hair, which is here, to colour match, and then you obviously get all of your extensions in here. So I have colour matched, and I would say these are a little bit slightly yellow toned for me. However, I'm going to give them a go. I'm going to put them in, I'm going to curl my hair, I'm going to see what they look like, and if they are a little bit yellow toned, I'm just going to tone them, so it's not an issue. But yeah, they're very long. I got mine in the platinum blonde. I did ask for ice blonde, but they sold out, so I went for platinum blonde, which is very much similar. I do just need to tone them a little bit to make them more icy. And these are the 200 grams, 24 inches, and the reason I got 24 was simply because I didn't want them to be too short, and it means I can cut them myself and get them to a length that I like, whereas these kind of go down to like my belly button area, so very long. But yeah, that's basically it. I don't really have much else to say on them apart from when they're in I can give you my final thoughts and sort of opinion on them. So give me an hour to do my hair and I'll be right back. So I am back. That took me about an hour and a half. I'm not even joking. And before I begin with the whole review and everything like that, I just have to make a few pointers on some things. So firstly, I'm aware it's not the best match, because obviously everyone's hair colour is so different. Like, you're not going to get extensions that match straight away. I think I need to tone these. I might even just get my hair dyed a little bit, just like to match them a little bit better. But obviously I'm still learning to put them in, so they're not even in the best. I am still kind of getting there. I don't want them to look fake. Sounds stupid because it's so long. Like, people's hair really isn't this long naturally, but I just don't want it to look like really like awful. Does that make sense? Like, you know, some people have extensions, you're like, she's got extensions in, but like they look sick. Like Molly May's extensions look amazing, whereas other people will have them in, they either look thin or ratty, or it just doesn't blend, or you see the clips, and like I just don't want to be that person. So yeah, like I say, I'm still learning, but hopefully it doesn't look that bad. Please be honest in the comments below. Like, obviously apart from the obvious, you know, colour situation, like let me know what you think. Does it suit me, long hair? I don't know, like I feel like this is what I used to look like at school. It's a bit strange. But in terms of how much I actually used, I actually left 3 sets of double wefts, so I didn't use all the hair because there's already a lot of it here, and my hair is naturally quite thin, so any more and you would have probably started to see like the extensions up here. So I didn't put any more in because I just thought it was a bit much. The actual quality of the extensions, like when I was putting them in, like they just feel incredible. I think also, like if I put my hair in a really nice pony, I think that would look really cool, like with a few bits forward. I think that would look sick, especially if I like brought it to the side. I just think that looks really nice. I also really want to braid these, because I think plaited they would look really nice and it would blend a lot more. Do I really want hair this long naturally? I don't know if I could deal with it, you know, like I think it would annoy me, but actually I kind of do want to look like a mermaid all the time. So yeah, I don't know, there's a mirror behind me as well, that's why I keep looking in the mirror. But yeah, overall I'd give it a 9 out of 10. It would have been a 10 out of 10 if the colour matched perfectly, but definitely a 9 out of 10 from me. So thank you so much, Irresistible Me, for sending me these amazing hair extensions. Honestly, I love them so much, and obviously I will leave all the links down in the description so you guys can go and check them out as well. They're not cheap, but they don't feel cheap. They feel lovely and really nice, and obviously Christmas is so close now that you may as well put these on your Christmas list because they are incredible quality. Really, really good. So like I said, thank you so much for working with me. Honestly, these are amazing, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Something a little bit different from me, but why not? Let's give it a go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, do subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!